Here we have a pizza trailer we just finished up. This one here is a 22-foot. You've got the power awning on the outside, the porch on the back with a brick oven pizza on it. Well, brick oven pizza cooker. You've got the horizontal side and glass and screen on it. We can do the horizontal or the vertical with the flip-up serving shelf. Power outlet here on the outside. Semi-screwless exterior, so the metal's glued on and screws just on the seams, like I typically like to do it. Plug for it. Now on this one, the customer supplied all the equipment. We just installed it. He's got a Predator generator tucked away in the generator box here. Your water fill door. You've got a side door with a screen. Then up front here we have the 3-compartment sink and the hand wash sink. You've got a shelf above the sink. LED lights in the interior with an AC unit. And we've got the interior finished out with equipment. You can see the pizza oven on the back wall there, the opening for it. You've got a pizza prep table. Double door refrigerator, fits nicely in here. As well as 2 more tables, one with a mixer on it. We can build this out however you want and install any equipment you want to put in here. Come see us today in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.